Hi everyone, it's Carolina, your acupuncturist, and I want to talk to you today about self-care. So we've been talking quite a bit about self-care at Brio, and we want to share some of our favorite self-care techniques with you to perhaps inspire you to incorporate them into your own routine. So self-care is a really important part of our wellness toolkit. And so we can have daily self-care practices. We can also have self-care practices that help us in the moment when we're experiencing a challenging time. And they're especially important when considering our modern lifestyle. So we're always adapting to new circumstances, and that a constant adaptation can be really wearing on us. And so having some practices that help top us up and make us feel good and rested and well are really what we need to navigate our modern lifestyle. So I have a couple self-care practices that I really enjoy. I'm going to share a few of them with you now, and some of them you may not have heard about before. So the number one self-care activity that I do that really helps when I'm feeling really stuck or just not myself, or maybe during the change of the seasons when it's still transitioning from one season to another energetically, or the weather, or these other markers that we see at the change of the season. So I really like to do hot cold contrast therapy. So you may have tried this inadvertently on a ski or snowboarding trip where you're hanging out in the hot tub, and next thing you know, you're tossing yourself into a snowy bank, and that contrast of the hot from the hot tub into the snowy bank is actually really therapeutic. It can be really great for tonifying your immune system, and it's really great for skin, and again, adaptability as well to temperature regulation, things like that. So I actually go to a facility where I go into a sauna, and then I go into a cold plunge pool. And I just find it really enlivening and really helpful when, again, I'm feeling kind of stuck or a little bit blah, or my mood is really low. There's some really great benefits with changing from a more extreme temperature, hot to cold. So I would advise for you to give it a try at least once. I really love it. So that's one of my favorite self-care practices.